guys, I think I might have messed this up. You can see here, put temporary pins in. May not be easy to see, but one of those doesn't look straight. Huh. I guess I may need to redo these, and then maybe I'll just trace out one, get the holes put in the right place, and drill them both at the same time. I just don't understand how I got it crooked if I got one straight. Oh well, we'll try again. Well, that's odd because I guess it works. I guess this is just a simple restoration. We can go with this, just see what happens. We're gonna have to even these up in the back and stuff, but I mean, looks like there's plenty of space if we bring it back to here. And then we just, yeah, let's just keep trying. Welcome back, everybody. I've done a little bit of work off camera, shined up the handle area of the knife here, the tang. I decided to keep the scales I was working on, and I just straightened up the holes. I'm going to use this pin, which actually it has a thicker edge over here that I'm going to use to fill up the bigger hole that I created, going with 1 3/16 long. Yeah, so let's get to work. Test fit here and see how it goes. Wipe off up here where excess is squeezed out. Use a little bit of the thinner too if it's being stubborn. I think it's looking good. And that is our handle. Cure for 24 hours. Okay, so I missed a little bit of the sanding of the handle, but you got to see the end there. And this is almost the end product. We got some hand sanding to do, get everything all smoothed out, get these lines out of the metal up here, and then we'll be ready to oil it all up, I guess, and then sharpen it. So I picked up some 240 grit sandpaper roll from Harbor Freight. It's got the cloth back, and I'm going to use that to try and smooth out the contours and get the metal on here looking pretty good. So we'll start with that. was going up right here. Here's the part I had to get red to rubber to plug out. And when I see this side, you see something. So I so do the base, leaf, this, and then like these little legs are both on the bone. That's it. You can see it. Tell you what, guys, I'm pretty happy with what's going on here. It's pretty darn close to the original, just with some smoother edges, and I kind of rounded the contour here a little bit more. I did go thinner up here than I did here, so there's a taper down to the blade. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I would use this every day. And again, this is Wicked Wax. I got it off of Amazon. I'm not sponsored, but I really like this product. So if you guys are out there looking for something that's a really good food grade wax, of course my finger's not food grade right now, but this is the stuff. It does not smell, which other products I've tried have not had a pleasant smell. It goes on with body heat. It soaks in, protects. Look at that. That's a nice piece of hickory. I probably should have wiped it down a little bit better, but that's all right. I'll just hand hold it. Hopefully you guys can see this. I'll double check. Nope. Right there. Yeah, that's some good looking wood there. Zoom me out. And I probably said it, but I'm pretty happy with this restoration. This was fun. I think the best way to learn is to see what people have done in the past. And copying, you know, there's no shame in copying. And yeah, this is going to be it. And we'll catch you in the next one.